नमस्ते बिटिया, दिस इज डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर FEM, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, प्रोग्राम MSc मैथमेटिक्स सेकंड सेमेस्टर, course name numerical computation, and session of today is numerical problem on Newton's based on Newton's forward difference formula and Newton's backward difference formula. So problem based on numerical differentiation and applying Newton's forward difference formula is as follows. Problem is calculate the first and second derivative of the function tabulated below at the point x is equal to 1.1. Here value of x will be 1.0, 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8, 2.0. Corresponding values of fx will be 0, 1.28, 0.544, 1.296, 2.432, 4.000. So solution of this problem will be, since x is equal to 1.1 lies near in the beginning of the table. यहाँ आपको यह समझना जरूरी है कि x की जो वैल्यू 1.1 है वो टेबल के बिल्कुल बिगनिंग में है। जब वैल्यू बिगनिंग में होती है तो इस स्थिति में हम न्यूटन्स फॉरवर्ड डिफरेंस फॉर्मूले को अप्लाई करते हैं। द डिफरेंस टेबल विल बी गिवन बिलो। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू put value of x in first column and value of y in the second column. Then calculate delta of fx, that is first difference. First difference is calculated by difference of second value minus first value. Second difference will be third value minus second value. Next difference will be fourth value minus third value. Similarly, fifth value minus fourth value, sixth value minus fifth value. This will be the delta of fx. In the same way, we calculate delta 2fx. It is just like delta fx, next value minus first value, second value minus first value, third value minus second value, fourth value minus third value. In same way, delta 2fx is calculated in this column. Similarly, we have to calculate delta 3fx. Similar process is done in order to find the delta cube fx. And next, find delta 4fx. It will be 0. It is because values of delta cube fx is identical. Here we have prepared the table, and after preparing the table, formula of Newton's forward difference formula we are knowing well. Fa plus uh u is equal to fa plus u delta fa plus u minus 1 upon factorial 2 delta 2 fa plus u cube minus 3u square plus 2u upon factorial 3 delta cube fa. This is the Newton's forward difference formula up to the third difference. थर्ड डिफरेंस तक हमें ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है, क्योंकि डिफरेंशिएशन हमको थर्ड डिफरेंस तक ही यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करना है. डिफरेंशिएटिंग ट्वाइस with respect to u, we have first h f dash u a h u is equal to delta fa plus 2u minus 1 upon 2 delta 2 fa plus 3u square minus 6u plus 2 upon 6 delta cube fa. Again, here h is equal to 0.2, a is equal to 1.0, u is equal to 1 by 2, so that a plus uh will be 1.1. A plus uh will be 1.1. Putting the value in equation 1 and 2, we get f 1.1 f dash 1.1 is equal to dy upon dx at x is equal to 1.1 is equal to 1 upon 1.2 delta f1 plus 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 2 delta 2 f1 plus 3 into 1 by 4 minus 6 into 1 by 2 plus 2 upon 2 delta cube f1 after putting the corresponding values. We get 1 upon 0.2.128 plus 0 minus 1 upon 24 into 0.048, and calculating, after calculating we get 0.630. In the same way, f double dash 1.1 will be d2y upon dx square at x is equal to 1.1. Putting the corresponding value and calculating, we get 6.60. This is the answer of this question. Next example given here, the value of x is equal to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Corresponding value of fx will be 1.10517, 1.22140, 1.34986, 1.49182. Find dy upon dx and d2y over dx square at x is equal to 0.4. Here value of x is equal to 0.4. This is the value in the last of आर्गूमेंट. इस प्रकरण में x की वैल्यू 0.4 है, जो कि हमारे x की वैल्यू में सबसे लास्ट वाली वैल्यू है. जब ऐसी स्थिति होती है कि वैल्यू लास्ट में हो, रिक्वायर्ड नियर एंड द टेबल, देयरफॉर न्यूटन्स बैकवर्ड फार्मूला विल बी यूज्ड. जब वैल्यू लास्ट की वैल्यू पर फाइंड करना हो डेरिवेटिव, ऐसी स्थिति में हम न्यूटन्स बैकवर्ड डिफरेंस फार्मूले को अप्लाई करते हैं. और इन सिमिलर वे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर द टेबल, एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम of table will be x and second column will be corresponding value of y. Fx is given x is equal to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Corresponding value of y is equal to 1.10517, 1.22, 140, 1.34986, 1.49182. Here बैकवर्ड डेल्टा इज यूज्ड. बैकवर्ड डिफरेंस फॉर्मूले में जिस डेल्टा का जो उपयोग है वो किया गया है, और ये डेल्टा ट्राइंगल के जस्ट अपोजिट साइन का डेल्टा लिया जाता है. तो डेल्टा वाई एन इज फाइंडिंग हियर, एंड second value minus first value, third value minus second value, fourth value minus third value. This is the delta yn. Next, delta 2 yn calculated. Again delta 3 yn calculated in the same way. So this is the preparation of the table. Now putting the Newton's backward formula. Newton's backward difference formula is given here. Y is equal to Fa plus NH plus UH. U is equal to Yn plus U delta Yn plus U minus 1 upon factorial 2 delta 2 Yn plus u plus 1 u plus 2 upon factorial 3 delta 3 yn. Here h is equal to 0.1 and yn is the last term. Differentiating 1 with respect to u, we get h f dash a plus uh plus nh a plus nh plus uh is equal to delta yn plus 2u plus 1 upon 2 delta 2yn plus 3u square plus 6u plus 2 upon 6 delta cube yn. Again differentiating h square f double dash a plus nh plus uh is equal to delta 2yn plus u plus 1 delta cube yn. Putting the corresponding value u is equal to 0, h is equal to 0.1, a plus nh plus uh will be 0.4. The value of difference in 2 and 3 we have, putting the value f 0.04. It means dy upon dx at x is equal to 0.4. Putting corresponding value in the equation and after calculating, we get 0.14913 upon 0.1, and after dividing by 0.1 we get 1.4913. In same way, f double dash 0.4 is equal to finding the d2y over dx square x is equal to 0.4 and putting the value in corresponding equation, and after calculating we get 1.4770. This is the final solution of this problem. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.